Hey folks, Jerry Stevenson, Chief Redneck in Charge, the Redneck BBQ Lab, East Crossroad, Vincent, North Carolina. I'm here with my friend Mike Baker of Event Webcasting. We're doing some instructional videos here in the RBL studios. Today's video is on how to make our cornbread at your home, just like we do in the lab, in a pan. We have a pro tip for you guys today. Pro tip of the day is once you combine your mix in the wet and the dry together and you pour it into a greased pan, let it sit for 20 minutes. That's what we do at the lab. It helps the mixture autolyze together. Basically, the wet and the dry get together and get happy, and some of the chemical reactions begin to occur. And we found out our results are a lot better. We get a fluffier and a more moist product than when we just mix it, throw it in the pan, and throw it in the oven. So that's today's tip here, the Redneck BBQ Lab. You can find our cornbread products along with a lot of the other rubs and sauces that we sell right here. And as always, folks, if you found this video informative, please like it. Subscribe to our other channels. There's a lot more videos coming out, and there's a lot of videos that are there that you might like. And share this with your friends. And as always, feel free to leave your questions and your suggestions right down here below. Might be something you want to see that we're not doing, or something that we can do better to make you guys want to come back and see what's coming up next here at the Redneck BBQ Lab. So for now, pass those smiles around, spread some kindness. Let's start a revolution. Thank you guys.